everyone, welcome to the Hunyah Show Queen to Queen. Today I have Miss Florida, Revolutionary Purpose, and Arita, who will be speaking about baking for cause and how it's like to be competing with in revolutionary pageants for that's going to be coming up in September. Welcome, Anrita.
Thank
So, how did you
you.
get into pageantry?
I started pageantry actually in high school. My sophomore year and my junior year, I decided to enter a school pageant that we had. And by my surprise, I won both years. And so that was great experience for me. It allowed me to understand more of what pageantry brings as a platform and as a family, and being able to spread whatever cause that you have. So,
That's amazing. You know, the in and outs of pageantry. I just started about, I think about 3, 4 years ago, so I'm still learning it. So I see you're expert in there. So I know you have
yeah.
a baking like I think initiative that you do or business that you do is called Baking for a Cause. What is that about?
Yes, I put a name with everything that I do. I truly believe in utilizing all my talents and gifts. And so I love to bake. It is a childhood hobby. And I tapped into being able to utilize that passion for baking, but to be able to give back. So that is called Touched by a Queen Confections, and Baking for a Cause is what I do. So anytime people will place orders, I take a portion of those proceeds, I put it aside, and then when there are nonprofit organizations or different organizations that have a cause and they need help for some type of a treat, then I will use those funds and I will sponsor their event. And normally I make cupcakes.
That's
So it's
amazing.
been a wonderful experience. Yes.
That's a great way of incorporating a childhood hobby into a entrepreneurial business that supports different organizations. That's amazing. It's like taking
Yeah.
up that because there's this article I recently saw that lemonade stands are not only for kids now; they're for adults too. So it's like I think we're talking about that, and that's
Yeah.
trending. So I know the September
Yeah.
Revolutionary USA virtuals are coming up. What's your plan?
Yes, so I'm super excited for this virtual competition. I have been in love with Revolutionary Pageant System. It really has been a great platform. It aligns up with my values and my beliefs, which I'm all about purpose. So everything that I have been doing during my reign, you will see a lot of things incorporated with purpose. I'm utilizing even the color of purple, which represents purpose. Really staying focused again with mental health advocacy and awareness, really working with a lot of parents, bringing understanding, knowledge, education when it comes to parenting a child that has some mental health challenges, some things of what they can be aware of, making sure that our children are getting the help that they need, support, therapies with school, judicial systems. So bringing a lot of focus on, again, awareness, understanding, to be able to understand and be able to be a great support system for our children.
That's amazing. And
Thank you.
where can viewers find you as you take on the USA virtuals and overall everything you do?
Yes, so you can reach me on Instagram. I'm on there under Miss Florida Revolutionary Purpose 2024. You can find me also under Imagine That Life Coaching and Touched by Queen Confections. You can also find me on Facebook, same thing, Miss Florida Revolutionary Purpose 2024. My name, Anitra Manning, Imagine That Life Coaching, and also my free support group, which is called the Yellow Brick Road Journey. That is a support group for parents who have children that are struggling with behaviors stemming from mental health. So you can find me on all of those platforms, again, on Facebook and Instagram.
Okay, that's amazing. So be sure to find Miss Florida Revolutionary Purpose 2024 and Yellow Brick Road Animative Life Coaching, as well as be sure to like and subscribe to Hunyah Travels, The Hunyah Show, and Miss Canada Revolutionary Purpose 2024. And be sure to see you in the next episode.